Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use MeshBasicMaterial in Threejs. So let's get started. So this is the output which I have. So as you can see over here, I have one torus, one sphere and one plane which has disappeared because I'm constantly rotating it. So as you can see, this is our plane. So yeah, so for starter I am using Vite. So using this particular command I have created one sample project, and HTML, CSS and TypeScript project, and inside package.json I have installed two dependency. One is for Threejs, so the 3 dependency, and the second one is @type/3, which helps us for TypeScript. Next, inside index.html, as you can see, I have just created one canvas element and I am assigning the ID to it. The style position is fixed, top and left are 0 and outline is none, and here we are referencing our TypeScript file. So inside main.ts, these are all the imports which I have. So if you want, you can just copy paste this imports. So firstly we are getting hold of our canvas, then we are creating one scene. Now this is the important part. Here we are creating our MeshBasicMaterial. Now if I have just given it some color so that these are visible properly. Then I have created 3 meshes: sphere, plane and torus. I have added them to the scene. I have created a size, width and height. Okay, then here I have created one camera. I have added it to our scene. Then I have created one orbit controls as well. These are only for rotation and translation, so if you don't want that, you can ignore it. Here we are creating our WebGL renderer. Then we are setting the renderer size, and on resize we are I just want to update the camera as well as the renderer. That's why we are doing that. And on double click we want to exit or go full screen. That's what this does. And here I have created one clock as well. Also, if you see the tick function, we are just rotating our sphere, plane and torus, not much, and we are calling it on every frame. So that's why I'm doing window.request animation frame. So yeah, that's it. The important part is this particular thing, MeshBasicMaterial. So yeah, that's how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Bye.